Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to download CAVS adsorption evaluation. First, go to our institutional website. Then, click on the application bar, and you will be directed to a page like this. In this page, you can find the link to download Excel spreadsheets examples that CAVS uses for data flow. To download the software, click on this link to open a new tab. You will be redirected to a Google Drive page. Click on Download. This tab sometimes will show a warning that Google Drive was unable to scan for viruses due to the size of the file. To start the download, click on Download. After the download is complete, open the folder where the file was saved. Extract the zip file. And you're ready to install CAVS adsorption evaluation.